Om Gan Ganpatiye Namo Namaha. Atma Namaste. So in this video, we will be discussing about what is a birth chart and what are all its different components. So starting with the birth chart itself, it is like a screenshot of the picture of the sky taken at any given point of time. So out there in the sky, the planets are and the stars are in constant motion with each other. And let's say if a person is born at 7 a.m. in the morning, and if you take a picture of the sky, that becomes the birth chart of the person. Okay. Now this sky has been divided into 12 different sections or zodiac signs, as we call them, or rashis. So zodiac sign and rashis, they are all one and the same. Okay. I'll take this paper. Now the circular paper represents the whole sky, and imagine that there are 12 different sections. Here only one section is there, so just imagine there are 12 sections. Each of these sections or zodiac signs are 30 degrees apart from each other, meaning 12 into 30, 360 degrees. Your entire sky gets covered. Okay. Now let's see the name of these zodiac signs. Okay. The sky has also been represented by a metaphysical human form called as Kala Pushan. Okay. So the first house of Kala Pushan is always Aries, followed by Taurus, then Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and then finally Pisces. Okay, this is the order of the zodiac signs as per the Kala Pushan, the metaphysical human form. And each of these zodiac sign represents a particular human part of the body. For example, Aries represents your head, followed by Taurus, which represents your face. So like that, all the zodiac signs form the different parts of the body. Okay. Now let's try to understand how the Rashi is derived. So like we said, I said, the 9 planets are in constant motion in the sky. Okay. And wherever the moon is positioned, that becomes the zodiac sign. Okay. So for example, if moon is in Gemini, that means Gemini is the Rashi of the person, or moon sign, you can call it. Now the 9 planets are Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Okay, so these are your 9 planets. Here we have to consider that Rahu and Ketu are not physical planets, they are just lunar nodes. Because they are so close to the Earth, and apparently they have vast impact on our lives. That is why these shadow planets have been considered as planets in the birth chart. Okay. Next is the concept or component called ascendant. Okay. At the time of your birth, wherever the whichever zodiac sign was rising, that becomes your ascendant or lagna. To make you understand even better, let's take the sky again. Here this pen represents your earth, and earth is also constantly moving in the eastern direction. Let's say at 7 a.m. when the person was born, the earth was pointing towards Taurus zodiac sign, meaning your Taurus becomes the ascendant or lagnam of that birth chart. Okay. And always in a birth chart, lagnam or ascendant is the first house. So Kala Pushan's first house is Aries, but the actual ascendant might vary depending on the time of the birth. So there are 24 hours in a day, and every 2 hours the ascendant keeps changing, meaning the earth is constantly moving towards these zodiac signs. So every 2 hours it keeps changing. So that is how the ascendant is derived. Okay. Now next is the dasha system of these planets. So these 9 planets will have a particular dasha period. All of them, if you combine together, it comes up to 120 years. We'll see that in great detail in the upcoming parts of the course. But for now, we just need to know that something like dasha system or planetary influence time period exists. Okay. Then we have these nakshatras. Inside every zodiac sign, a particular group of stars are always there, and they form a particular pattern. For example, uh, Aries, if you see, the stars form the pattern of a goat, and that is why it has been given the symbol of a goat. So likewise, these constellations or nakshatras, they form a particular pattern, and depending on these patterns only, the various symbols have been given. Okay. So we have seen about how the Rashi is derived, how the Lagnam is derived, and what are all the dasha periods. Now we'll see what are all the aspects. So aspect is nothing but uh, the angles formed by the planets when they are positioned in the chart. So every planet, it will have a particular angular position. So that will be covered in detail in the upcoming part. What we all need to know right now is that every planet will have a particular aspect. Okay. And apart from this aspect, there is also something called as the yoga combination, meaning a particular combination of planet would be beneficial or uh, not so good. But we need not worry about it right now. All we need to know is that a group of planets will also form a yoga combination, which could be either good or bad. Okay, so this was about the components of the birth chart and what exactly is a birth chart. So remaining part of the course will be covered in the upcoming videos. Thank you.